Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to introduce today's presentation on Lightning App Builder. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can help you create custom apps with ease. We'll cover the key features, best practices, and how to get started quickly. So let's dive in and discover what Lightning App Builder can do for you. The Lightning App Builder is a really user-friendly point-and-click tool that simplifies the process of creating custom pages for both the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning experience. It's designed to give your users everything they need, all in one convenient place. When you want to edit a Lightning app, you do this through the App Manager in Setup. That action takes you directly into the Lightning App Builder, where you can manage the app settings. From there, you can update the branding to match your company's style, customize the navigation to suit your workflows, and adjust various options to enhance user experience. You also have the ability to manage the Lightning pages assigned to that app, ensuring everything is tailored to your specific needs. This tool really streamlines the customization process, making it easier to deliver a consistent and efficient user experience across your organization. With the Lightning App Builder, you gain the flexibility to create a variety of custom pages tailored to your needs. You can build single-page apps that allow users to drill down into more detailed standard pages, providing a seamless experience. There's also the option to design dashboard-style apps, which are perfect for tracking key metrics like top sales prospects or important leads for the quarter. You can create point apps that focus on solving specific tasks, such as an expense app where users can easily enter and monitor their submitted expenses. Additionally, you can develop custom record pages for your objects, customizing the layout to better suit your users' workflows. Another powerful feature is building custom home pages, which can include the components and features your users rely on most, making their everyday work more efficient. A Lightning page itself is essentially a custom layout designed to be used within the Salesforce mobile app or Lightning experience. These pages are made up of regions that contain various components, giving you a lot of control over how information is displayed and interacted with. Understanding how the Lightning App Builder works is key to creating tailored experiences that boost productivity and user engagement across your organization. Let's take a closer look at the Lightning App Builder setup journey. This slide highlights the key steps involved in configuring and customizing your Lightning apps. First, you'll start by understanding the overall architecture, which helps you see how different components work together seamlessly. Then, you'll move on to selecting the right components that match your business needs, making sure your app is both functional and user-friendly. Customization is a crucial part of this process, where you tailor the layout and appearance to fit your organization's branding and workflow. As you progress, testing and refining your setup ensures everything operates smoothly before deploying to your users. This journey is essential because it empowers you to create tailored, efficient apps that enhance productivity. And of course, connecting these steps to our overall theme. It's all about leveraging the Lightning App Builder to streamline your digital transformation efforts effectively. Let's talk about Lightning components. These are small but powerful building blocks that are designed to be compact, configurable, and reusable. You can easily add them to a Lightning page within the Lightning App Builder, which makes customizing your pages straightforward and efficient. Now, when we look at Lightning pages, they support different types of components. First, we have standard components, which are built directly by Salesforce. These are ready to use and cover many common functionalities. Next, there are custom components. These are created either by you or someone else, tailored specifically to your organization's needs. The great thing about custom components is that they can be configured to work seamlessly within the Lightning App Builder, giving you flexibility and control. Finally, we have third-party components available on the App Exchange. Think of the App Exchange as a marketplace where you can find pre-built components and packages. These components are already configured and ready to deploy, saving you development time and expanding your options significantly. All of these types of Lightning components help you build dynamic, personalized, and efficient Lightning pages that align with your overall goal of delivering a better user experience. Let's take a closer look at the app page. This feature allows you to create a dedicated home page for a third-party app that you can add directly into the Salesforce mobile app and Lightning Experience navigation menus. What this means is your users can have a central place where they can quickly access the most important objects and items related to that app, making their workflow more efficient. Moving on to the home page, you can customize these pages to suit specific types of users. For example, a sales team might see different key information than a support team. You can assign these customized home pages to different apps or even combine them with user profiles, ensuring everyone gets the most relevant view. Keep in mind, though, that creating custom home pages is supported only in Lightning Experience. Now let's discuss record pages. These are tailored versions of an object's record page, designed to meet your user's specific needs. By customizing record pages, you can control which fields, related lists, or components appear, streamlining the user's experience. And the great thing is, custom record pages are supported both in Lightning Experience and in the Salesforce mobile app. Finally, the different Lightning page types give you flexible options to tailor your Salesforce interface. Whether you're creating app pages, home pages, or record pages, each type helps you deliver a highly personalized and efficient user experience that aligns with your overall Salesforce customization strategy. Dynamic forms really take the Lightning App Builder to a whole new level. They empower you, as a Salesforce admin, to create highly flexible and dynamic user experiences. Instead of being limited to a fixed record detail layout, you can now configure individual fields and sections directly within the App Builder. This means you can place fields exactly where you want on the page, even splitting them into separate tabs or accordion sections for a cleaner look. One of the most powerful features is visibility rules, which allow you to control what your users see and when they see it. So, you can display only the relevant fields to each user based on specific criteria, making the interface more intuitive and user-friendly. Overall, dynamic forms give you more control and customization options, helping you tailor the user experience to meet your organization's needs, all within the Lightning App Builder environment. Dynamic forms really transform how we work with page layouts. Instead of being limited to fixed positions, you can place fields and sections exactly where you want them, giving you much more flexibility. This means you can create a layout that's tailored to your needs without being constrained by traditional page design. Another powerful feature is dynamic layouts. With visibility rules, you can control which fields and sections appear based on specific conditions. For example, you might show certain fields only when a particular checkbox is selected, keeping the interface clean and relevant for each user or scenario. Managing these layouts is also simplified. You can handle fields and sections directly in the Lightning App Builder without needing to go into the classic page layout editor. This makes it easier and faster to update your pages. Plus, you can reduce the number of page layouts and record types you need. Instead of creating multiple layouts for different scenarios, you define component visibility rules to show or hide content dynamically, streamlining your setup. And one more thing, assigning a Lightning page becomes even easier. You don't have to assign a separate page layout anymore. You can assign a Lightning page that adapts based on your visibility rules, making your setup more flexible and efficient. So, in essence, dynamic forms give you the tools to create more adaptable, user-friendly layouts that are easier to manage and update, aligning perfectly with our goal of improving user experience and operational efficiency. All right, let's talk about how dynamic forms really enhances the customization of your record pages. When you add the dynamic forms component, a new tab appears in the component pane called Fields. This tab is where the magic happens. It contains the Fields section component, which acts like a container for your fields, and a list of all available fields you can add. What's great is that you can place a field section anywhere on your page, giving you flexibility in your layout. And within each field section, you can add fields wherever you want, making it easy to organize information logically and visually appealing. Now, getting started with dynamic forms is straightforward. You have two main options. First, you can create a new Lightning record page from scratch. In the Lightning App Builder, just click on the Fields tab in the component pane, and then start dragging sections and fields into your desired layout, anywhere on the page. The second way is to take an existing record page, and with just a few clicks, migrate its details using the Dynamic Forms Migration Wizard. This makes it quick and simple to upgrade your pages without starting over. So, how does it all work behind the scenes? Dynamic Forms allows you to build highly customizable and flexible page layouts that can be easily modified as your needs evolve. It's all about giving you the power to design pages that are tailored to your business processes while maintaining a user-friendly approach. This way, you can create more engaging, organized, and efficient record pages that truly support your team's productivity. Let's now talk about best practices and deployment. When it comes to deploying any new system or process, it's crucial to follow some key best practices to ensure success. First, thorough planning is essential. This means understanding your environment, identifying potential challenges, and setting clear objectives. Next, it's important to involve all relevant stakeholders early on. This helps ensure buy-in and provides diverse perspectives that can improve the deployment process. Communication plays a vital role here. Keeping everyone informed and engaged reduces surprises and builds confidence. Testing is another critical step. Before full deployment, conduct pilot runs or phased rollouts. This allows you to catch issues in a controlled setting and make adjustments without impacting the entire organization. Training your team effectively is also essential. Well-trained users are more likely to adopt the new system quickly and correctly, reducing errors and increasing efficiency. Finally, continuous monitoring and feedback after deployment help you identify areas for improvement and ensure the solution remains effective over time. All these practices tie back to our overall goal: maximizing value, minimizing risks, and ensuring a smooth transition. Think of deployment not as a one-time event, but as an ongoing process of refinement and support. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I truly appreciate your engagement and interest in what we've discussed. Remember, the key points we've covered highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts and how they connect to the bigger picture. It's all about applying these insights to make a meaningful impact. If you take away anything from this, I hope it's the confidence to move forward and implement what we've talked about. Again, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing how you use this knowledge in your work.